Well, all right, we got time for a couple more songs. Believe me, it's our very pleasure to be involved in anything that's just like this. And it seems like there might be a little dispute on who actually owns this mountain or who might even have a right to be here. But don't despair. The tide is turning. And there's only so much you can do about some people. So God bless them, and God bless you. Get some advice today. Love it. Gotta love it. Tethered somehow, like electricity. You're in full connection to the ground. Yeah, I wanna get with you. These dreams will no longer do. I feel the rolling on the seas. The ship is nearly capsizing. I'm here for 98 degrees and rising. I'm waiting for you to choose. Circumstance. What's there to lose? Let's take a chance. Don't you wanna see how happy it would be if you were to love me? I can sing for you in the morning as the day arrives. Witness the reflection of sunlight in your eyes and the changing texture, living things when they really come alive. Yeah, I wanna get with you. These dreams will no longer do. I feel the running of the seas. The ship is nearly capsizing. I'm here at 98 degrees. Choose to embrace the circumstance. What is there to lose? Let's take a chance. Don't you wanna see how happy it would be if you were to love me? Circumstance. What is there to lose? Let's take a chance. Don't you have the assembly of the new Congress over here. They're going to be voting on some very important issues later in the day. We're just warming them up, getting them tuned. going to do you one more. We want to thank you all so much for listening, enjoying the music. I guess we're going to be signing some CDs somewhere. They told us that. But anyway, come and say hello. You don't even have to buy anything. Although if you want us to sign a CD, you will have to actually have one. But we'll sign anything you want, short of anything terrible. Anyway, it's been our very pleasure. Thanks again. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Chicken yard, life can be simple and still be hard. Hold my head, it hurts my eyes. The world is getting bigger as it shrinks inside. And you walk by out of the blue. I never expected to be loved by you. I always thought the most of you. Now we're sitting and we're drinking. Tall grass grow. I run and hide from the things I know. Catch the dust.